Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Chrome is up to date and you're signed into the profile where the extension will run. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store or the Extensions page and enable Developer Mode if you plan to load a local CRX or Unpacked folder. This matters because mismatched versions or wrong profiles cause extensions not to sync. Make sure you have any required login or license info ready so the install process is uninterrupted. Now you install and configure. Click Add to Chrome and read the permissions before confirming because permissions define what the extension can access. If you're loading an unpacked extension, enable Developer Mode, choose Load Unpacked, and pick the folder containing manifest. JSON. Once installed, pin the extension to the toolbar and open its options page to set preferences. This controls behavior and reduces surprises. If it needs account sign-in now. Otherwise, test a core feature to verify installation. Finish by testing the extension's primary function in a normal tab and, if relevant, in incognito with permission enabled. If something fails, disable other extensions to check for conflicts and restart Chrome to clear transient state. If issues persist, remove and reinstall the extension or inspect the extension's background page and console for errors. One key troubleshooting tip. Try creating a new Chrome profile. This quickly reveals whether profile-specific settings or data are causing the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.